Hello everyone, my name is Felicia Lizziel. I'm your beauty, fashion, lifestyle, and home expert here on YouTube. And today we are setting a table for all your wonderful guests who are coming to eat your catered, cooked, I don't care how you prepared the food. They're coming to sit down and enjoy a meal with you for this Thanksgiving. And I'm going to show you how to make the table beautiful, but you know, effortlessly beautiful. We don't want to do too much. So today, as we set the table, we know that no good table setting, no good place setting, or no good tablescape can occur if you don't have some beautiful flowers, okay? So I'm gonna teach you how to do a quick floral arrangement. Now, as I have stated before, flower arranging is not an exact science, okay? You can look for inspiration, but really look for different textures, look for colors that really speak to you. So what we're doing is, I've explained already, we are actually making a floral arrangement. And so I got a bunch of different bouquets from Trader Joe's. Whenever I do floral arrangements, I always use Trader Joe's. That's my first choice because it's close to my house, but then I also do a wholesale floral shop where most designers go in the Atlanta area to get their florals, but they expensive, okay. And I'm on a budget. I'm bougie on a budget. So today we're going to start, I have two separate cases, but we're going to do the arrangement as if it's one long piece. And I don't know if you know this, but quick tip, when you are doing arrangement for a sit-down dinner and you want your guests to engage, you don't want a huge arrangement that's covering everybody's view. You just want something really pretty. And most of the time with holiday tablescapes, you're gonna have food on the table as well. So you don't want anything big and, you know, elaborate. You're not at a wedding, okay? It's Thanksgiving dinner. So you want everybody to be able to talk and see each other. So keep it low, okay? I could actually do probably one more brick, but this is all I had and we're gonna make it do what it do. So let's start off with our greenery, okay? I love these. Now y'all know, I just know what looks pretty. Good God, what is going on here? Hold on, okay, okay. I know what looks good. So I don't know the names of all flowers. I am getting there. But this is just a pretty ornamental fall color. It's got that rich kind of burgundy green in there. So we're gonna start off probably with some of this. And we're gonna make this arrangement bigger than what it appears. This is our base, but we're gonna arrange all throughout, okay? And so again, like I said, it's not an exact science. You're just I got a bucket for my clippings. You're just gonna kind of, you know, you're gonna eyeball it. I really don't want you guys stressing out about creating. I'm a Christian and I believe in creation. I believe we were created. And I believe we all have the imprint of divinity on us, whether you believe in God or not. And we're made in his image and he's the creator. So that means you are too. So I say that to say, you have it in you. You just maybe it's not as evident as some, but everybody has the ability to be creative. So don't think too hard. Sometimes we think too hard about stuff and it's, girl, just do it. Okay. All right, so we're gonna go in with these and I'm gonna bring it towards the back. I have another, ooh, that came out much easier. Have another bunch of these. And gonna put a few more all around. So right now this looks crazy, right? And we do have our floral foam. You can always tape and just use a grid, which I really recommend that more so because more than likely your flowers will last a little longer. Now I'm doing this the Sunday before Thanksgiving, and this better last, okay? Because I spent $50 on all those. All right, so that's enough of those for now. All right, and so then I'm gonna fill in with this greenery too. This is really pretty. One thing about Trader Joe's, you can always count on them having the same types of flowers. All right, so we're gonna stick that there. And this is just filling in. I probably got way more floral than I needed, and that's okay, because what you can do if you are an entertainer and if you are a homemaker, and when I say homemaker, I mean anyone that has a home and creates a space that is beautiful and livable, you are a homemaker, whether you are a full-time stay-at-home mom or whether you are a career mom or wife. You don't have to have children. You're a homemaker, okay? And I forgot where I was going with that. Sorry, 40 brain. It'll come back to me. Oh, I know what I was saying. If you're a homemaker, more than likely you've got some vases laying around, right? Yeah. And so if you've got extra flowers, we're not gonna throw these away because we can actually use these for our place settings, these little sprigs. So yeah, if you got some extra bud vases, you can make little small arrangements and put them throughout the rest of the house, okay? All right, so there's that. And see, I'm already, for me, getting a little higher than I want to. But you see how even though the base is kind of narrow, we're arranging the flowers in such a way that they take up a little more real estate on the table, okay? This looks a hot mess right now, but keep watching. Now what I'm gonna do is, one thing I try to do is get a bouquet that is already kind of made for me, right? This is a beautiful mixture, and I'm gonna just deconstruct this and reconstruct it in my arrangement, okay? So, and one thing I like about using floral foam is you can keep a lot of the greenery because you don't have to worry about it causing bacteria in the water. You know, normally if you are making floral arrangements and you're submerging the stems in water, you want to remove as much greenery as possible because that'll get the water dirty. And over time, you'll have to change it more, and it just, child, this can be a headache. But with this, you don't have to move as much of the greenery. Look at this thistle. That's so pretty and so fall-like. Make sure you can see that. So pretty. And y'all, you see what I'm doing. It's no rhyme or reason. I might get up I've been doing this for so long, I really don't have to get up and look at the front, but I might get up and make sure everything is balanced, but I'm just, you know, filling in holes, filling in gaps, and eventually it all comes together. And I want you to have that freedom to do the same thing when you're doing an arrangement. Don't worry about, you know, what it should look like. Your eye will tell you. But you do want to create enough cover enough surface area so that, you know, you kind of, your eye is dancing, right? So that's why I get this bouquet, because I want to be able to create variety with this, and then I go in with my flowers that I have more of and kind of bring all the uniformity together. Hey guys, I'm back. So I have pretty much placed this whole large bouquet. And as you can see, we did a really good job of filling in most of the arrangement. And so now I'm just gonna take those larger flowers and what we consider filler flowers and just kind of go in and kind of, you know, maybe create some height, a little drama in areas where maybe I didn't have it before. So one of the things that I want you to keep in mind when you're doing this is you don't have to have symmetry, okay? Symmetry is a good thing, but I think it's, what's the word I'm looking for? Overdone, maybe? Everybody is concerned about stuff being symmetrical, and sometimes it looks too thought out. You know, it doesn't look created. It doesn't look curated. And so when you do this, now don't get me wrong, there are times when your arrangements are gonna be more sculptural. Like if you take a look at my wedding flower video, and I'll link it probably below or put a card somewhere, that is very much sculptural, and you know, they're groupings of the same flower. So there's a lot of symmetry in that. But most times when you're just doing something like this, you don't need the symmetry. And look how, y'all, look how beautiful this is. Can you believe we made all this with just that little base? I mean, this is gonna be beautiful. Okay, we're gonna put some Crispidia in there. So I really like these flowers. They last a long time. They're very pretty, and after this arrangement dies, these flowers will still be, they'll still have life. You can actually make dried wreaths with these. So this is a really pretty flower. Just add some height, all right? I think we've got it. I think that's enough. It literally took me, I don't know, 15, 20 minutes to do this. Beautiful centerpiece. It's gonna really be a showstopper. It's gonna be a talking point. You know, when you do a tablescape, it's not just about making everything look pretty. It's adding value by adding aesthetics, right? Conversation. When you entertain, you want all those elements to come into play. So as you're making things beautiful, you realize that somebody's gonna say, oh my God, these arrangements are so pretty. Where did you get them? Oh, I made them. It was so easy. Guess where I got the flower? You know, it just adds to the art of entertaining. And that is to engage with your guest, enjoy them, and to add value to their lives as they add to yours. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you learned something. I had so much fun creating it for you. And next, we are going to show you how to set the table, okay? I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for tuning in. Bye.